But before I start, I'd like to say that I was very excited, reassured by what the future of this country did on our streets. This was not anger, this was not violence, this was not hatred, this was an expression, deep expression of the youth of this country, of the future generation of this country, and I feel that all political parties must respect this expression, including my friends in the BJP. In fact, I'm pretty certain, and I've seen examples of it, if my friends in the BJP were to go and ask their own children what they felt about what their brothers and sisters were doing, they would find agreement among their own children. There is nothing wrong with what has happened, and every Indian should be proud. Now, the hallmark, she said, the student, she says the student wears the truth on his or her chest proudly. It's written here. And I said, what about the other type? She says the other type requires an image. It requires an image, and as that image is not true, because the idiot is trying to pretend that he is God. I'm not talking about that. As it is not true, and the idiot is trying to pretend he's God, he has to create this massive image. Then I asked a question, sir. मैं सोचा कि यार ये, sorry sir, मैं सोचा कि ये स्टूडेंट है और फिर ये इडियट भी है, तो मैंने उससे पूछा, एक बात बताओ, ये तीसरी कैटेगरी कहां जाती है? ये तीसरी कैटेगरी कहां जाती है? उसने कहा, कौन सी तीसरी कैटेगरी? मैंने कहा, अंधभक्त। इसको कहां डाला जाए? She says to me, अंधभक्त is a person who is absolutely convinced that another idiot is God. So these are the three categories. And I'm very happy today to see that the so-called Home Minister of this country does not have the courage to come and sit here. He does not have the courage to come and sit here. Sir, please.
आज प्रश्न
I saw the Home Minister.
मंत्री जी बैठे हैं, जिनका विधेयक है वो बैठे हैं.
I saw the Home Minister, sir. Carcade. Sir, I saw the carcade. 30 cars. With the Home Minister sitting inside the car. Like that. Looking. Shaking. What is this, sir? Speaker, sir. Why is the Home Minister not here today? The Home Minister is not here today because he's not here today because he is scared. He is the Home Minister, sir. बैठ जाओ।
देखिए, आज होम मंत्रालय पे चर्चा नहीं हो रही। आज जिस विधेयक पर
Sir,
चर्चा
क्या
माननीय
what are we
मंत्री जी
doing?
बैठे हैं,
The Home Minister, sir, the Home Minister
नो, आज होम
is
मिनिस्टर पर
scared.
चर्चा नहीं है। जिस विधेयक पर चर्चा है, वो विधेयक पे मंत्री बैठे हैं। यही व्यवस्था रहती है सदन के अंदर।
Sir, the Home Minister authorized the shooting of our students, sir. He put pellets into the blood of our students. He ordered the students of India to be shot.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, ये